Hi everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of the Christmas dinner leftover challenge. And today I'm going to bring you leftover turkey Foo Yung. Let's do this. So you've got leftover turkey, right? It's dry, it's heavy. Everything about Christmas dinner is usually heavy and very stodgy. So we're going to go kind of the polar opposite of that. We're going to do you a Foo Yung, which is light, fresh, tasty. And you'll use up your turkey and some other vegetables very well indeed. So what we're going to do is we've got a really hot wok, about 2 tablespoons of oil, okay, and what I've got here to start us off with is 2 rashers of bacon sliced up into little bits. Okay, I mean most people have that around this time of year. You normally have bacon in your fridge anyway, so I'm going to stick that in, and that's just going to give us some extra oomph to this. And if we play our cards right, it might give us some sort of crispiness to our Christmas. Okay, but it'll definitely add something to this dish. Okay, got some colour on the bacon. Next I'm going to add some mushrooms. Mushrooms go in next because they take the longest to cook. Okay, add a little bit more oil because mushrooms are like sponges. They suck up all the moisture, including the oil. And the bacon will continue to go more crispy. And that's got to be a good thing, right? Next, we'll put in our leftover turkey, like so. This is one of those cases where a little goes a very long way. Because we've got so many other ingredients, we don't need a lot. Although, obviously, if you've got more turkey, put more in. It's all good. Get the heat up again. Add a little bit more oil. Okay. Now we can add our bean sprouts, handful of bean sprouts. All these are approximate measures. Great thing about this, you can't go wrong. You just add whatever you feel or whatever you've got. You know, if you don't like bean sprouts, don't put them in. It's kind of half the reason of having a Foo Yung, but hey, not everybody likes bean sprouts, right? Great thing about bean sprouts is you can get them from any supermarket now, and they're ready to go. They're all washed, you don't have to wash them yourself. Fantastic. Now we can put our Brussels sprouts. I've chopped them in half, just to make them cook a little bit easier, or get hotter. They're already cooked, so they heat up easier. There we go. And finally, for the veggies, we're going to put some carrots in. Those have all been cooked, so we're only really reheating them. Okay, we're going to add a good squirt of salt and a good grind of black pepper. Toss that in, okay. Touch more oil. And I've got, finally, the egg. Got 5 eggs in here. This is going to feed 2-3 people perhaps. And once you've beaten your egg, all you got to do is pour it straight in, okay. And just keep it moving. Okay, we've got it on a high heat and it'll set pretty quick. As soon as it's set, everything's done. Okay, you can do this in a proper steel wok like I am. You can do it on a non-stick wok. You can do it in a big frying pan. It doesn't matter. Use whatever you got. If you want some advice on what wok to buy, or should you get a wok at all, or a non-stick wok, then I've got a video for that as well. Check it out. A little bit more salt. Another stir. And we're done. There you go, guys. Part 2 of the leftover turkey challenge. What do you think? Get your taste buds ready. Right guys, turkey leftover Foo Yung. hell does this one play out? The bacon certainly works. Got a mouthful of that. Let's try Brussels sprout. Really nice. Brussels sprouts against the egg, because you've got the sweetness from the Brussels sprout and that slight little bitterness you always get with it, which I actually like. Works really well. How about the turkey? Turkey, but it works because it's light. You don't need a lot of it. You know, a little goes a long way. You can feed a lot of people like this. Let's try another mouthful, let's see. Guys, that is actually really, really nice. And totally the opposite from what you'd expect from a Christmas lunch, because it's light. It's fresh, there's no stodginess. The turkey isn't dry because it's combined with everything to make it, and because it's in small quantities, you're never going to kind of bite into anything like turkey jerky or anything like that. It's just nice. You can shred it even thinner than that. I just left it as it was, but you don't want huge great slices of it. You want nice little bits of it. The bacon really wakes it all up. It's really, really cool. And the mushrooms, the carrots, the Brussels sprouts, bean sprouts, obviously, lovely. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. This is something, and it's quick and easy. I guess the difference between this, I'm kind of torn, because I think I love curries, so the curry version, the curry leftover one is really nice, but you've got to make the curry paste up first, which obviously can take time. If you've got it in your fridge already because you've made it up, then go for it. It's quick when you've got the paste. This you can do anytime. For any leftovers, like your roast dinner leftover, that would work really well. But for a Christmas lunch leftover meal, absolutely quick. Just bang a few eggs in there, a few bean sprouts, and away you go. You're done. So, which one wins? I guess I'm still edging towards the curry because I'm a sucker for curry. But tell you what, guys, you make up your mind. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer out of the two, and if you try it for real, let me know and see, and let me know which ones you prefer after trying it. For me, they're both amazing dishes. I'm surprised to say, I'm kind of surprised to say that, but they are really, really nice. It's not something that would be obvious that I would be showing you or making, but hey, it's great. And as a way of using leftover Christmas dinner, it's far better than you would expect, and it's so much better than just reheating a Christmas dinner, which is going to be tiresome after a while, to put it politely. So yeah, guys, give it a go. Let me know what you think. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every view, every like, every comment, and I'll see you in the new year. Merry Christmas. Take care. Bye-bye.
Ding, doggone bells they ring throughout the night. You spouse of kin and child of sibling, come and gather near. Eat and drink, invade my house like every single year.